Hey guys, Jason here. So, man, I am really excited about this tool. Tonight I got my spreader bars and I got my wing sweeps. And I got 4 of those. And I'm just sitting here and looking at this thing and I'm like looking at all these different options I have for setting up tools on this thing. And I'm really excited about this because I got um, what I'm thinking right now is like slap this spreader bar right here. You see? And if you see on both sides, there's enough room for a bolt and a bolt there. And then there's room for 2 of the 4-inch wing sweeps in the center. And then there's enough room for a bolt there. What I'm thinking, and I'm going to try to just mock it up tonight, taking my regular sweeps and putting these on the outside of that, and then putting 2 of the wing sweeps on the inside, and then my other sweep right there on the outside. So what that does is that's cutting into the soil and loosening it, you know, the weeds and everything. It cuts the weeds right off and kind of loosens them and flips them up. But then, because it's the high arch, I got these tool mounting brackets back here. So I could either, with this other spreader bar, I could come across here and now I can mount all 4 of my cultivator teeth back here, chunk, 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 all the way along. And this is going to help flip that loosened up soil already that you just cut. So this is cutting the roots and everything, but it doesn't really flip it that much. It flips it a little bit, but not a whole lot. But these running back here will just break that up and flip it. Or I'm thinking maybe using the cultivator disc set and spinning them straighter and running those right behind it. So anyway, I mean, I'm just sitting here thinking of things in all the different ways I can attach tools to my high arch wheel hoe, and you know, and seeing if it works. And I'm excited to give it a try as soon as my ground thaws out outside and I can till up my garden. But yeah, I'm really excited. You know, I guess the possibilities are basically endless with one of these high arch wheel hoes, because you got so many options of where you can mount stuff. I mean, also, I was thinking, you know, you see these 2 holes here. If you look here, let me take these bolts out real quick. Jeez, I didn't think I put them on that far. Let me show you this. And I'm looking at this. This is pretty cool. But here, let me flip it upside down. See that? That one hole matches up. The other hole is a little off. So if I put a little tiny or a small bolt in there just to keep it from spinning side to side, this way, that'll hold it still. So that means I can mount my sweeps right there and just use a smaller bolt to go through this hole. in that big hole, a regular bolt like this will drop right through and mount it. So I can mount my sweeps right there. And in this little spot, you can see, just got to come up with a small bolt, little, about the size of a 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit smaller, maybe 1/4 inch might go through there, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, so that's another thing I might be able to do. Mount them right next to my arch. Now you'll see I mounted my, normally in the instructions they say have the sticker facing towards the handles. I mounted mine the opposite direction. What that does is moves the handles farther forward about 1 inch, because normally this hoop right here would be back here and then your handles will mount to it. I mounted it this way. I don't know if I just wanted to open up that hole right there just in case I wanted to use it for the future. When you flip the arch around the other way, it kind of covers that hole. So I don't know if that's going to affect you know, how this handles, or when I'm working with it in the dirt. I might flip it around later on in the season or this growing season and try it either way, but for me, I don't see that being much of a problem. I'm just moving the pivot point a little bit farther forward. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Just so many options, and I'm pretty excited about trying it out. I'm really happy with my purchase. So, talk to you later. Bye-bye.